Whether you're working remotely or just tired of having cords tangle up inside of your bag, tech pouches are a great way to add organization. On top of keeping things tidy, they also help protect gear from damage. Hey, I'm Tom from Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and ringing that bell icon for notifications. No matter if you prefer loops, pockets, or a big empty tub, here are 10 pouches that make life easier on the go. So let's dive in. One of our favorite hacks for packing light is to find items that serve a dual purpose. The WANDRD Tech Bag has 2 hooks on either side to attach a strap so you can carry it as a sling and a pouch. This is great if you want to keep tech close at hand during travel, and it saves you the space that a packable bag would usually take up. Unfortunately, the strap is sold separately, but even out of sling mode, it is a capable pouch. It comes in 3 different sizes, and we like the medium because it is the Goldilocks of gear organization. The front zippered pocket is the right size for a smartphone and is felt lined for scratch protection. The main compartment's accordion divider keeps gear separated, but it's still spacious enough to fit larger adapters and cables. There are 3 rear mesh pockets for organizing gear too, although the elastic doesn't keep things down super tightly, so smaller items may fall out into the main area of the pouch. You can also use these side handles for quick grabs or attaching to the outside of a larger backpack, like the WANDRD Provoke or Duo Day Pack. While we think this works best on its own, we like products that give us options. As the slimmest pouch on this list, the Aer Split Kit gives you storage without taking up too much space inside of your bag. Unzip the bottom to reveal a gusset, and you've got a base so the pouch can stand up on its own. When you're done, zip it up for added compression, but keep in mind that you may need to shuffle gear around for it to close properly. Since the main compartment is pretty much a giant space, this front zippered pocket adds some segmentation. Plus, the zipper is self-locking, so it won't open up on its own. It's great for headphones, charging cables, and small dongles that are easy to lose. The mesh panel adds separation, plus it's stretchy, so you can really load it out. However, since the zipper is in the center, small items may fall to the outer edges, and fishing around for them can be awkward. That said, the pouch's durable materials and sleek design are a great option if you don't need a ton of organization but still want to keep all of your tech in one place. Plus, its carry handle is great for quick grabs as you wait for your next flight. A lack of organization isn't for everyone though, and that's where the side-by-side Power Packer comes in. It's slightly taller and thicker than the Aer Split Kit, but features oodles of organization. Between 15 loops and 3 pockets, it is a great option for tech gurus who have a hard time cutting down on cords. The shell is a mix between polyester and nylon, and there's a super stretchy center panel on both sides. This helps the pouch expand to fit larger cables and bulky laptop chargers that don't break down into segments. There's even a separate zippered pocket for awkwardly sized items for everyday carry gear like a wallet and keys. For everything else, chances are the main compartment has a spot to store it. There's a range of loop sizes for dongles, adapters, and styluses, as well as a zippered mesh pocket for SD cards. We're big fans of reducing the amount of tech that we carry on the daily. However, sometimes a smaller kit just won't cut it. Slot the Power Packer into a corner of your bag and never worry about whether you left the cable behind. Finding the gear that works best for you can be tough, which is why we've tested thousands of products that help make life easier on the road. For access to exclusive deals and giveaways with top brands, check out Pack Hacker Pro. Save some cash and easily plan for your next trip, all in one place. The Pro community is filled with welcoming individuals who are eager to share their knowledge with you. Participate in discussions and chat directly with our team. Unlimited access to community-driven info gives you the tools you need to make every adventure better than the last. Plus, joining Pro is the best way to support us so we can keep making content to help you find the right gear. Check out the link down in the description below, and let's get back into organization mode. If you saw our last video on tech pouches, the Bellroy Tech Kit Compact might sound familiar. It's the smaller version of the Bellroy Tech Kit, and we think it downsizes in all the right ways. Though there are fewer loops and the pockets are tighter, it has enough space for weekend trips, or if we want to travel light on the tech side. It opens fully clamshell for easy access, and these structured sides create small buckets to contain tech gear. On one side, you'll find 2 mesh pockets for an adapter and a mouse. While the mesh isn't too tight, the pouch's size keep things from slipping out. The other side features 4 elastic loops of varying sizes for cords, headphones, and dongles. Behind that is an expandable pocket for a small notebook or power bank, and a shallow hidden pocket for SD cards. Smaller gear may come loose since there is no separate zipper to keep things secure, so just be mindful of that when opening up the tech kit. If you're someone who wants to bring along the essentials and look professional doing it, this tech kit is one of our go-tos. The Moment MTW Tech Organizer Mini has a similar concept. However, the sides are flexible, giving it an edge. The Codra nylon shell is bendable and crunches down easily, so you can squeeze it into small gaps in your bag. This is great if you don't have a ton of space to spare, but still want cable organization. Though there are 6 pockets and a pen loop, it's definitely enough for the basics. The 2 larger pockets fit a charging block and a cable, while the smaller 3 secure additional cords and headphones. Unfortunately, the elastic seam isn't very tight, so smaller gear can jostle out. If you want more storage, Moment also sells a larger version, though we prefer the Mini because of its simplicity. While it lacks larger pockets for things like battery banks, there's enough space in the middle for slimmer items. The full clamshell opening makes access easy. Plus, the brighter liner makes it simple to see gear inside. We're also fans of the sleek and professional matte exterior, but it does pick up dust and hair pretty easily, so pet owners beware. Herschel Supply is a brand you may recognize from its heritage-style bags, and their tech organizer mimics that style. Though it's similar to the 2 tech pouches we just mentioned, we like that it has more secure storage options. Unlike other pouches that have open pockets, this one has 2 zippered pockets, one on the inside, one on the outside. However, the dark liner makes it hard to see inside, so be careful not to lose smaller black cables and thumb drives in the pile. You'll find stacked organization on the opposite side with various loops for keeping cords and headphones tidy. Meanwhile, the pockets easily store a notebook or 2, your phone, a pen, and a mouse. Though they aren't as tight as we like, we appreciate the different sizing to hold thin and tall items. The ballistic nylon shell may be a bit overkill for a tech pouch, but we dig the sleek look. It's great if you're the type of person to travel with extra SD cards and dongles, alongside larger power adapters. Though it's on the larger side, it's versatile for those who need both tech and everyday carry storage. For a more budget option, the Travelon Tech Accessory Organizer keeps things simple. Along with being the least expensive on this list, it's also the lightest. Instead of a zipper closure, this organizer folds into thirds and buckles shut. It's also adjustable, so you can tighten it with less gear or expand it with more. And if you're pressed for space, lay it flat between layers of clothing or packing cubes. When it comes to internal organization, this is split into 3 sections. The outermost pockets are zippered to keep small dongles and drives from falling out. They're also large enough to hold power banks or bulky cables. However, since the center pocket only has a flap to keep gear inside, we opted for using a smaller pouch inside for extra security. The exterior fabric is a ripstop polyester, which we like to see since the ripstop adds some durability to protect our precious tech. That said, the buckles and zippers are unbranded, so we'd avoid stuffing the pockets too full. Though there isn't any padded protection, this pouch offers some great protection without breaking the bank. We're big fans of versatile gear, and the Vanquest PPM-HUSKY is the type of pouch you bring along if you have a lot of gear, but not a lot of room to store it. It's small and thin enough to fit in a quick grab pocket, or carry it using the grab handle on top or the webbing on the back. Inside, there's a total of 16 elastic loops and 2 pockets on the rear side. The loops vary in size to fit charging cords and dongles, while the pockets store larger cables and power bricks. There's also a detachable key leash, so you don't have to worry about losing your keys. Plus, the 1000D Cordura and the Teflon coating means that it's more than just a tech pouch. Store other everyday gear like tweezers, a lighter, and SPF chapstick, and take it on a more rugged adventure. On the outside, there is a thin pocket for documents or credit cards, and some Velcro on the front where you can put a patch for either identification or to add some personality. Though the technical vibes may not be for everyone, we feel confident that our gear is safe and sound inside, which is all that really matters. If weather resistance is a concern but size isn't, the Nomatic Navigator has space to go around. The water-resistant shell and reverse zipper coil protect your gear from coffee shop spills. Its bucket-like design is spacious, easy to pack, and structured for added protection. The shallow front side features 2 zippered pockets for small, loose gear like headphones, dongles, and SD cards. Meanwhile, the deeper back has 2 mesh pockets with elastic for large adapters and 2 side loops for a pen and stylus. For everything in between, the center panel adds even more storage. One side has 3 elastic loops, each with a pull tab to make stashing thick cables easy. The other side has 1 large zippered pocket that's the perfect size for cash or other flat items, though it's a tight squeeze when the loops are filled. The external zoom zipper can be a bit sticky though. To add support, slip your hand through the rear loop for a secure hold while you unzip. It's flexible enough to stuff inside of your bag before you hit the road. However, you can carry it from this top handle too. Sometimes it is nice to get back to the basics. The Waterfield Designs gear pouch has minimal organization and only takes up as much space in your bag as you allow it to. Pack more and it'll expand to accommodate, or pack less when your bag is a tight squeeze. There are 3 sizes to choose from, each with the same design, scaled up or scaled down. The small is great for basic tech like headphones, a wireless mouse, and a laptop charger. The medium takes it a step further and can also fit a small tablet as well as extra adapters you want to bring along. The large is specifically designed to fit an Apple keyboard, but it's also great for smaller notebooks and chargers too. All the zippers are self-locking, which is handy in transit and ensures that none of your items will fall out, especially since the internal organization is slim. Apart from liner pockets, you're free to pack as you please, though keep in mind that bulky gear quickly impacts the overall shape. If you prefer to keep a professional look while you're on the road, the wax canvas material is sure to turn heads too. So there you have it, 10 tech pouches to keep your gear organized while you're on the road. If we didn't mention your favorite tech kit, please let us and other viewers know down in the comments below. Because remember, some of the best recs come from you, the Pack Hacker community. Thanks for giving me here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel, and we will see you in the next video.